Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with today's a tutorial video. We are going to be doing Blender in a couple of minutes. We're not going to do too much, just a bit of the key details. The first key detail, as you can tell from the title of the video, it's going to be keyframing. It's actually it's going to be setting it up. Sorry about that. Setting the thing up. So first, you're gonna want to head out into the internet. I'll post the link into, whatever it's called. What is it called again? Oh yeah, into the description. Let me open the thing up. So type in McPrep, download, should get this. Don't let it zip, okay? Big thing, drag it out to your desktop, back onto Blender. Let's hide that very quick. Yeah, go to File, I'm in Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install, Desktop, then desktop, because if you drag it out to your desktop, you should find one of these, click on one of those, they should work, and then it might have to come up with something called restarting. You might have to restart, Okay, now let's get back to here. So you have this, well, you won't have this exact thing. Let's go to layout again. Go back. My camera's tilted, and you should make it so it isn't tilted because it's kind of weird. But here's everything works. If you want to spawn a player, you're going to have to click on this arrow thing, the red arrow thing in the left-hand corner. That's where your character's going to spawn. Then you're going to want to open McPrep on the sidebar next to, not Grid Breaker, View and McPrep. You should then go to Spawner. If you want to easily find player mobs, you go to player mobs. Ones I use is just regular player. So and then press spawn. Your character should spawn like this. Well, wherever the red arrow goes. And then you have easily installed a character. This works for all monsters. Mobs. Just every mob. Everything. So if you want to go friendly, passive you got fox. You can spawn a fox. There you go. That's easy. So see, if you have both like this. There you go. Never mind. Let's go. Sometimes they might pair up and you don't want that, so then you're going to have to do it all over again. That's that. I'm going to delete these because I don't need these. And, just to see the project I am working on for my first anim. I won't show you the entire thing, it's just a little preview. It's him jumping down. It's my first one, and I'm just showing you the basics. And then I'm going to have it cut the video, come back when it looks like he teleports, and he gets pushed off. He turns around. The camera isn't there, but come down there. And yeah. That's some part of it. If the next part we're going to be going in is actually importing the islands. Oh, it's still actually going. See this island? I accidentally messed up, so now grass is kind of white. It doesn't really matter over here. I guess I could just go as a snowy over here. Of course, when you export this entire thing, they're not going to see all the lines, so it doesn't look so weird. If you want to apply skins, applying skins is actually probably one of the easiest things. Get one of these, get over here. Player mobs, player, spawn player. Okay, just making sure nothing. If you wanna, you just skin from username, you just type in a username, so let's go. Actually, check this guy out, he is my friend. Okay, doesn't load, that's alright, you have to click on him again. Click on his, like, those lines things. Sometimes they apply, I don't know if it works for me anymore. I don't know if I can apply skins, I don't know, it broke. I don't think it's downloading is the thing. It should download. If that doesn't work, I don't know. It isn't working for me, which is a bit weird. That is how it should work. It isn't working for you either. I don't know. Search someone else up. Of course, this is just one of my friends suggested they needed help. I'm trying to help. So yeah, if you just want to do skin from file, you just, all your other downloads, you press on it. To open up downloads, just search for skin, and then it'll play that. I don't know if that actually works. It's just one, suggestion. Don't forget to check out my other YouTubes, Raiders Animated. That's what I'm doing this one for. And my Twitch. There is going to be a part 2 of this video. So that was spawning the mobs and everything, adding skins from files. Now the next one is importing the islands my way, the way I do it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.